good fight. He has finished the race. What remains is the crown of life.
His Grace Stephen Kazimba Mugaru yayihanangiriza abanya-Uganda obutosha kutebekanisiza nyentya abokuba babo tagitebekanisize ne kutebekanisiza nko kwenda.
And you must always go to the finishing point, and you finish the race. And when you finish that race, everybody is clapping and say, yeah, our man, our woman. Running to the end is the message. Finishing well is the message. If you want to capture my topic. Finishing well. To God be the glory for this man, our teacher, our friend, who has run the race and finished very well.
Ati onko kusima Ruhanga bamagaraga Emeritus Bishop Tibesigwa uyagamba okeshoro obwenje mu Kristayo kandi wakorire kanisa ya Uganda ibintu byo mutano.
He has left a legacy for which we thank God for his life and faithfulness. He has fought a good fight. We have lost an elder, teacher, administrator, priest, counselor, bishop, who with a sense of humor knew how to communicate.
Uwo mukoro gwakorwa ba office y'omwembezi w'ihanga Right Reverend Sheldon Tibesigwa Bishop wa Ankole Diocese yayetumbitira ba office y'omwembezi w'ihanga bo butakwatanisa nabakambo mukoro kugutebekanisa.
Konka recommendation next time I'm suggesting mwaterezo buyambi tukole nimwe abo kuba hati nkebyo kunywa ewe ati no basakushanga tubasakujya ngwitwe ebirebe to promoting a coffee omwanya gwa soda lita coffee bari so echo no wasuruta kimanya kumanya ngo abantu baha ne banywachi recommendation, a strong recommendation, yeah, very strong one. Nambwenu ba VIP nito twabatekera tabandi
ofisi y'omwembezi w'ihanga ishize miliyoni z'urwingana 88 okutebekanisa omukoro konka 83 hariezi zihirwa ba A+ Funeral Management kukora omukoro gwona. Miliyoni 5 hariezi zahebwa Mama Tibesigwa. Mama Tibesigwa hamwe n'abana b'omugenzi bamugamba nko omushaija w'omutano wakunzirekaye akagikorana rukundo y'omutano kandi ataine kweganya kona.
Akabana nkunda akana nkundira kimwe abo kuboko kuri omuntu naye hayo mazima no kwera no bintu bice kugira toko omuntu kaine rukundo nyishko butwaye tur Canada tukaturi yo marriage encounter bagamba hakuteka tekere byo kufana ki hatukubagambire ho nkagabo kuyanagamba we amarage gataha hehi yatandika kura nambuza bishe mwana orizugaki atanateka teka ngumwene kuwakufa mwenu bye byamagarage wakana kandi mwenu mkama simwe okureba ngu ekiyabere natina tishiriri kandi nanyo mutima kantenda ngumuba ambanze nkabanyenda ngumbe mbe ninye nabanza ntabo kuba tinkwenda tinkumanya konkari hange byakunzire nibyebyo nibyashaziremo mbwenu bisho kujoja mbere iro muntu murungi munonga ankwasize omukombe kama kagitu omukureberera abana beitu.
Chris Wakasisi wabereho minister wabyo kwerinda mu government ya Milton Obote kandi uri umuhabuzi wa president anshonga zo mutano wakikira government hamukorogu yagamba hamugenzi nko waberera umunywani w'abatebe kandi wamuhumurize munonga wabari mu cyome.
Visit me in prison and encourage me. I thank you very much. I thank Mama Ruth. Your husband was a great friend of prisoners. We loved him. and we still do.
Emeritus Bishop Tibesigwa akazarwa 2017 byo kwa Mshanju mwaka gwa 2025 kandi akaforwa akashatu biro mwende Sandezi akabaho Provincial Secretary w'ekanisa ya Uganda urwo mwaka gwa 2098 kwityo mwaka gwa 2022.
Yesu
Our Sky TV again shong Martin Nebye na Job Kato.